Here at R.N.G Performance, we believe giving back to the community is essential, and that's why we've added a free download section built for the community by the community. 3D printing is becoming a huge part of the off-road community, and we want to help it grow. If you've created a 3D file and you want to share it with the community, we'd love to feature it on our page. You'll receive full credit. All files are for personal use and not for sale, guys. We've also added our own files created by David Cook at Oxen Prints for the community to download and enjoy. If you don't have a 3D printer, we do offer our own prints for sale, but we'll never sell prints donated by others. Check out the free downloads in the link below, and let's keep building the off-road community together. Guys, 3D prints are a huge upcoming thing. If you don't have a printer, maybe this is time to get a printer so you can play with other folks' files. Just do right by the community and don't try to make money on other people's files unless you bought the file from them legitimately and are doing things correctly. Don't steal, because this stuff won't happen if people start stealing. Guys, here at R.N.G, we believe in helping the community and making the community stronger and doing what's right. We just want to give back, and so do other people. And we love to share other people's work. So many people are proud of what they do, and they might want to see you running their stuff on your rig. So you can send us your file at stephenhayes1988@gmail.com. We will feature it on our website. It will have a description of what you send us. It'll have the file and have photos that you send us, and it will also give you credit, the creator, or even a business, if we feature it on our website. Now, guys, it must be side-by-side and ATV related parts, and that's what's going to go on our website, preferably CFMOTO, but we'll put other brands and stuff on there too for folks to come check out and print and enjoy. Myself, I'm printing somebody else's file right now, but I'm not going to sell it. I'm not going to make money off of it. Print it for my wife. But we're also going to print our own things. So we work with David Cook. I do have a 3D printer, but we work with David Cook, and we support a small business. His business is Oxen Prints, and we really support his work and want to see him grow tremendously in the off-road community. Sorry, guys, looking at this camera is throwing me off. Maybe I'll quit doing that. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys like this style of video? Let me know. This is a new video for me. I just wanted to come on here because I was excited to show you guys what we already have on our website for free to download. And keep in mind, if it's an R.N.G print, we do have it for sale, and it does support other 3D printer businesses like David Cook at Oxen Prints. We really want to thank him for everything that he's done for us. He has went above and beyond for things, and he does do 3D prints as a business, and he will make you anything you want him to make, or anything he can make and print and sell you. So those of you who don't have a printer, guys, you're not out. You know, we got your back. I also wanted to thank everybody who's following me and my wife's weight loss journey. It is going amazing so far. I couldn't be happier. I want to thank you guys for all of your continued support and everybody rooting us on. 2026, I want to bring you guys some awesome content. And I know, I hear it all the time. I am slacking on the how-to vids, but I'm still working on my shop, and I got a few guys that are working in there, getting things set up. So come summer, we're going to crank those doors open and get stuff going and videos being made. Guys, we bought 32 acres here. Those of you who don't know, we bought 32 acres here to take our content to the next level. But currently, there's snow on the ground. And while I'm always in shorts and flip-flops, I don't like the snow that much. But the next year, the shop will have heat in it, so we'll be able to go out there and film stuff on the weekends and in the evenings. That's my hobby. I absolutely love making videos for you guys, and I want to thank you guys for kind of sticking to supporting us even through my winter challenges with no ATV content and side-by-side content. But we do try to bring what we can at the shop. But guys, the shop, sometimes it's just too noisy. It's too active, and I cannot film in there all the time. So that's kind of why we're slacking. But that's also why I'm building this shop over here. So it'll be dedicated to YouTube videos. And we cannot wait. We are super excited for that shop. Well, guys, figured I'd bring you out here and let you see what we got going on here. We have guys working on these garage door openers still. I got some sensors installed over there. Dudes, I did install this. Y'all haven't seen this. This is the retractable hose reel for your shop vac. I have a shop vac sitting here. We are installing a, what was it, a 3600 BTU wood stove right over here. And of course I got the remote controlled mower slash snow plow out here. But these guys are working out here trying to get all this done. Hopefully soon they'll have it done. This is kind of their mess. So once they're out of here, they'll have that cleaned up. This is all theirs. And my little corner is over here, all nice and empty. The electrician, we won't talk about him because I'm not too thrilled with his work. He installed 3-way light switches, and this switch is the only one that works. That one over there, if you turn it off, this switch will no longer work. And the guys installing these, anyway, well, we won't get into that because I am hopefully going to see him out here to fix that. And we installed a networking cabinet because we will have a full-on network on the property, and it's all going to somewhat go into there. And then in the house, I have another one of those networking cabinets. So for you computer nerds just like me, there you go. We're doing that. And then I do have a portable lift. We're going to install it right over here. And then I'm going to do a 2-post lift over there. And then over here, I'm going to have like my band saws, my lathe, my mill, my brake. Actually, I'll probably put the brake over there, and because I'll have the wood stove right there, I'll probably put the brake right there. And then I plan on doing a loft that comes off of that, doing a loft area under there. We'll see how that goes, but I do plan on doing that. But that is the update. Oh, and the electrician put all these lights on one circuit on a 20 amp breaker. They're pulling 18 amps, 2100 watts, I believe it is. So he has to come back and separate those circuits. They are literally on this breaker right here, actually. I believe it's this one. Yep. That one right there. So he's got some things he's got to fix. And then this shenanigans, I don't know. I don't know. Paid the guy too much, I think. But yeah. But these guys, they're working in here when they're able to, when it's not super cold, and in between jobs. And I got my network cable temporarily ran through the crack of the door that never got fixed by the building people. So I will fix that. I will fill it in with foam, and then we're also going to fill it in with concrete and build a slab out there. So, but that's temporarily hooked up because you won't have no signal out here on your cell phone. So guys, there's a little bit of a shop update right there. I want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting us. It's a long progress, and I know videos, long form videos is kind of slacking, but soon we'll have it all done. And I'm still waiting on my door seal kit from the building manufacturer. It's been weeks. I still haven't got those. So I'm not too thrilled about that, but I don't know. I will tell you, during this journey, y'all are wondering how easy it is to get these buildings built. It's easy to get the building up. Everything else that goes into it, it's like pulling teeth. It's like pulling teeth. It's really hard to find people who want to work. And then I have these guys who do want to work that are doing the garage door openers, but it's super cold, and kerosene and stuff is crazy expensive, so I haven't been filling those. So they're just waiting for normal days, normal warmer days. But these tables are mine. I did buy these. I'll put my lathe on one, and then the other one, probably put my mill on it and a couple other things. But yeah, let me know. Do you guys got any ideas on a good bench setup down there? I want to show you guys something. See all that light that's coming in those doors? All that should be fixed when I get those seal kits. And that is why it's hard to heat in here. That's why we're going through so much fuel, because of that. If it weren't for that, we'd be all right. So waiting on those seal kits is sort of hurting us a little bit. Guys, let me know if you have any ideas, contents that you want to see. I know we'll be getting a Z10, a CFMOTO Z10 here pretty soon in 2026, beginning of the summer. Hopefully, we will be bringing back more content on the CFMOTO U10 Pro and Pro Highlands and stuff like that. I might even get my hands on a U-Force 800 XL, but also my CFMOTO Z-Force 950, my race buggy. We got some cool stuff gonna happen. Just cool stuff gonna happen to that, guys. I can't wait. And we are gonna try and get out on the track. I still got to dial in the suspension, but trying to update you guys on a little bit of stuff, as well as this 3D print stuff. It's something that we're trying in the community. And some of my stuff, not all of my stuff, some of my stuff we will put on here for free download. Other stuff, you just have to buy it from us. But, you know, that's just business there. We do have to eat. We do got to make money. But at the same time, we want to help, even if it's not making money. So we just want to be one step above all of our competition, and we want to bring you guys the best of the best and nothing but the best. Customer service, I want to make sure that's top-notch for y'all. Content, I want to make sure it's top-notch for y'all. We went and we upgraded some cameras, even though my cameras from last year are pretty legit, but I got some more better action cameras for better footage, and I got a cool toy that I'll be playing with here soon. You'll just have to stay tuned and you know, just wait for that content. But we're gonna bring you guys homestead content. I need comments below. I need you to comment below and let me know, do you like seeing the homestead content? Should I leave it on this channel? Should I make a total separate channel for it? But I feel like a lot of us have property. A lot of us have ATVs. A lot of us have tractors. A lot of us have all kinds of stuff. And I feel like I don't really want to dedicate this channel strictly to CFMOTOs. I want it to be R.N.G performance. I want it to be everything I do in life. You know what I mean? I want to share with you guys. I want to be a community with you guys. But let me know if I should do another channel. Now, my wife does have a channel. It's not all that active. It's I forget what she calls it. Miss R.N.G Offroad Adventures, maybe. I will have to link it below, but check her out because she's gonna start picking up the camera, I think, as long as y'all encourage her. She's gonna pick up the camera and maybe do her own little thing. But guys, we're trying to grow this social media to the moon, and I want to get to 100K subs if I can this year, but I don't care if I don't. I do it for fun, you know, but it would be nice. I would love to see it grow, love to see the community grow. And the bigger I get, the more things I can do to help you out. But I need y'all to comment below. I really do, because I want to know your ideas, and maybe I can bring your ideas to the camera. And let me know, because that'll be amazing. Amazing if I can bring it to camera. But I don't know what else to talk about in this video. I'm not gonna lie. I thought my 3D print spiel was gonna go on for more time than what it did, so it didn't. And maybe I talked too fast, but well, maybe I'll throw some ATV content at the end of this. So yeah, maybe that's what I'm gonna do. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one, guys. I want to hear your thoughts down below. Give me some ideas. I need ideas. I'm running out of ideas. I know you want to see the new shop. I know you want to see the shop content. So maybe I'll wobble my big fat butt out there and get some content and toss it at the end of this video, show you guys the shop and what we're doing out there as of now. But I will say this, lifts have been ordered, and we're going to start moving tools and stuff over here next time the weather kind of breaks a little bit, because getting up my driveway with a trailer kind of sucks right now. So, all right, guys, we're getting into it.